comes the lucky winner. Let's see. Congratulations, Nadia Sabji Era. You just won. Congratulations, Nadia.
Is it Nadia? What's your idea? Hey, you don't look like Nadia.
You can charge them. You can say, make a donation.
We are here at NTBA exhibition and with us is the CEO of NTBA. Sir, tell us a bit about today's thing.
North Texas Business Alliance is a convenience store cooperative, and we negotiate with buying power on behalf of our member organizations to provide the best value possible. The expo brings together a lot of great vendors, a lot of our wonderful members. This is a great venue to everybody to meet face to face with people you might not be able to see every day, and we hope that it's value added for everyone attended. If you weren't able to make it, we'll have another one.
We see that this was a long due exhibition that is being held up for a long time. So give us a great time.
Trade show is great this year. It's one of the better ones we've had, and we're excited about 2025. I hope to see you there.
Thank you, sir. We are here at North Texas Business Alliance, the biggest organization that deals with convenience stores and the gas stations. Here with us are the organizers of NTBA. Sir, first of all, congratulations for such a great event. We saw a large number of people showed up. Tell us a little about that.
So we are very grateful to all the people who came out today, and we were able to raise a lot of donations for the Aga Foundation. We are grateful for our partnership with NTBA to give us this opportunity to collaborate and be able to be successful at our event today. So thank you NTBA, thank you to all the NTBA members.
I want to say thank you to NTBA too for the great event and the benefited our foundation a lot. We raised quite a good amount of money for the nation. It was a fun event for everyone. Thank you, NTBA.
Thank you, NTBA. In my opinion, when there's a business that goes and collaborates together, like and they believe in social giving, which is what NTBA has done, they partnered up with our foundation and we raised more than $60,000, I believe $60,300 here today by raising money for the raffle to give away this car. This money is going to change millions and millions of lives around the world. So thank you again so much, NTBA.
We see that NTBA is not just an organization, it is for the cause, for the good cause, and we see when there is a good cause, NTBA stand up and help the people. Tell us all about organizations, participations in helping people.
Aga Foundation? So Aga Foundation is you can see the work of Aga Foundation in about 30 different countries, and it touches lives of millions of people around the world. Aga Foundation, believes that for a purpose, we believe that every human has a right to live a certain level of life, right? We believe that every human being has access to education, to health, to food, and so Aga Foundation makes sure that we have things in place to provide all of these services.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये देखें अभी हम NTBA के स्टॉल के ऊपर हैं और इस वक्त हम आपको जहाँ पे NTBA की दिखा रहे हैं एग्जीबिशन। इस वक्त जैसा कि आपको दिखाई दे रहा है इस वक्त हम लाइव आपको जहाँ पे NTBA की एग्जीबिशन के
Or to the next generation. move to claim your wallet and ID. Gavin Forrester, your wallet and ID is at the NTBA Connection Alliance Group. Please come to claim your ID.
You guys like to try some gin weed? It's an energy drink. No CBD or THC.
Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, it's been through before it gets crazy and other happens.
Thank you.
Set it up, and then when you click on that account, like you can see X amount of money and where you're at for that. Like how much money they got already.
We have water and isotonic drink provided. That's provide like now see.
Congratulations, Victor Kumar. You just won a $500 gift card from Next Level Petroleum. Please visit their booth to claim your prize. Again, Victor Kumar, you just won $500 from Next Level Petroleum. Victor Kumar, I'm Harry.
आप क्या हमारी वीडियो निकाल
जी
हम लेके जा रहे हैं इसलिए
जी जहाँ पे आप NTBA की एग्जीबिशन के ऊपर आपको दिखाई दे यहाँ पे मौजूद है और ये यहाँ पे NTBA की एग्जीबिशन के ऊपर ऑप्शन गाड़ी की ऑप्शन होगी
Importers for the cotton wear brand t-shirts here. Our t-shirts is 190 GSM, specially made for the convenience store customers. We are local here, located in Harry Hines. We offer free deliveries, free store setups.
Congratulations, Zoe Megani. You just won a
and
free
very
sticker
competitive
from
price.
Nestle.
We can assign the salesperson who can come to you, can manage your store and take care of your profits.
थैंक यू ये नॉर्थ टेक्सास बिजनेस अलायंस की तरफ से जो एग्जीबिशन हो रही है उसमें जो ग्रैंड प्राइज़ है गाड़ी की ऑक्शन हो रही है और इस ऑक्शन को अभी आपके सामने दिखाएंगे। ये देखें गाड़ी है बहुत ही नया मॉडल है ये गाड़ी की आपको दिखाई दे रहा है प्रोग्राम में जो देखें ये हमारे साथ मौजूद है। बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोगों का रश
Hi, assalamualaikum. I'm here at NTBA show. Really nice. जो लोग आए हैं बड़ा enjoy कर रहे हैं काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जानने को मिल रही है new vendors and everything. It's really good. Thank you.
How do we know? You have a...
This is $900 of Fiji Sabina.
Hi, we're with Rise Fuel Energy Drink. We're a new energy drink, 0 calories, 0 sugar, brands like Sunny D, Kool-Aid. Glad to be here.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're Empire. We have a network of about 3,500 stores that we work with. We're a fuel provider, a jobber. We work with all the different major brands, Shell, Exxon, Valero, just about everybody. Let's see, we're headquartered here in Dallas. All of this team here is all local. And but we are a nationwide company. And this is our boss right here. This is Haley Hess.
Thank you, Ronnie.
Tell us a little bit about the exhibition. How was your experience about the exhibition? Two-day exhibition. Yeah, sorry.
We're proud to be an exhibitor at NTBA every year. It's great to see all of our customers come here and meet new potential clients, as well as network with all of the vendors that we work with. It's been a great show this year. We look forward to next year.
Thank you.
It was a great success. We really appreciate it. The turnout for today and all of our vendors and exhibitors that came in. We'd like to say that this raffle today we were allowed to raise $16,200.
जी जहाँ पे NTBA की जो एग्जीबिशन में इंतजामात जहाँ पे है सब जो इख्तिताम पजीर हो चुके हैं हमारे साथ यहाँ पे जिन लोगों ने शुक्रिया सरकार की आपसे बात करना ये हाउ वाज योर This happened after a long time. This was a long time.
Last year was
organizer Shahzad Mithani. Sir, tell us a little about today's exhibition. Yeah, this is like you said, this is one of the major exhibitions that are being hosted overseas for owners, and you know we had a pretty big turnout this year. Exhibitors and vendors were very excited to come, and we had a lot of new businesses initiatives that came out of this. So yeah, we're just really excited, and especially the people we saw yeah, this year. Due to many collective decisions that were made in the back office, the turnout exceeded our expectations. We're very pleased with it. Thank you, sir. We are here at NTBA, North Texas Business Alliance, the biggest exhibition in Texas. Here with us is the organizer of the exhibition. Tell us a little about our exhibition.
Sure. So my name is Chalta from the Alliance Foundation USA, and NTBA. Foundation, without which we wouldn't be able to profit fundraising. And today was an amazing day because through this donation of this wonderful car behind us, we actually managed to raise over $60,000, which we're donating to our foundation. So I just want to say thank you so much to NTBA, and we look forward to this